Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? How have you been? Thank you all so much for tuning in again today. So if this is your first time of seeing this beautiful face, you're so very much welcome. On this channel there's a whole lot of love to go around, so please kindly stick around. So guys, in today's video I have decided to pierce my nose. If you remember, a couple of weeks ago, say around 6 weeks ago, I pierced my hair and yeah, it healed nicely and I love them. So if you watched my husband's reaction in that video, he said he wanted me to pierce my nose, and yeah, I have decided to do it. I'm going to be piercing on my left side. I have 4 piercing in total on the right side of my face, so I have 3 on the left side. So if I pierce my nose now, it's going to make this side of my face, the left side of my face, to have a complete 4 piercings as well. So I think after this I'm going to stop. This is where the whole piercing shenanigan is going to stop. This is the full stop of all the piercings. So I'm crowning it all by piercing my nose. Yeah, so I have my disposable piercing gun here already. So I'm just going to use these alcohol wipes to clean this, also disinfect in case. So I really don't know, but I feel this is going to be very painful. So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to rate the pain, but let's just get this over. I don't know if you all can see it. I already marked where I want it to be, so now I think it will be easier for me to pierce. So let me just get it ready. Oh, this one has a long way to go. This one really has a long way to go. It's not even out yet. So let me just complete this. So guys, it's been done. I did it. I won't lie, on the scale of 1 to 10, this pain is actually 8. It is 8. Like, literally see tears falling from this side of my eye. Like, the pain, I won't lie, is on a 8, but after it went through, it subsided. Now the pain I'm feeling now is like a 4-5 kind. So it's done. Over with it. So now I'm waiting for V to get back and let's see what he has to say. But yeah, look forward to his reaction, guys. How am I feeling with this? I really don't know. Do I love it? No. Do I like it? Yes. That's just the truth. I don't love it as much as I love my hair piercings, but I like it. I believe by the time it heals, it's going to look so beautiful, because I'm going to change this huge ring right here, this huge ring I have here. So I think by then I'm going to love it. But now I just like it because this is too big. I really don't like that. I think it's the herring. Yeah. So hi guys, so I just had the car and I know B's back, so I quickly rushed out of the kitchen to do this quick setup for the camera because I don't want to hold the camera to his face. He's going to be aware that I'm trying to get his reaction. I don't want it to be like in the last video. So this one, I just left my camera here, just set it up because I normally do film here once in a while, so he might think maybe I'm just trying to, you know, get a clip of something or something. So yeah, so I'm just going to keep the camera here. I'm going to get back into the kitchen, then let's see what his reaction ends up like. So guys, I just had him come in now. I know he's going to ask of me soon from the kids. So here, yeah, he just asked of me now. I just said, where's your mommy? So he's going to open that door like now. I really can't wait to catch his reaction. Hi Dave, Bonnie, welcome. How will they say she could go there kitchen me? Èmi àti Elijah oúnjẹ ni. Oh, need respect. This is my office.
Alright. Give me your debate next week. Alright, so okay. Kí ló sọ? Mo ń bọ̀, mo ṣe jẹ́ kí n gbé padà.
How was your day?
Mo ń bọ̀, máa fẹ́ padà mo bọ̀ jọ. Máa fẹ́ padà sẹ́. Madam, ẹ wá.
How was your day?
Wait. What's this one?
Magnetic stud. What's fun is magnetic stud.
Wait.
Who called you? Kí ló pè é sí?
Wait.
Padà síbi tó ti ń bọ̀. Nobody called you. Don't drop it. Go. Bye bye.
Wait first.
I didn't call you.
Seriously, you guessed though.
I sent you a message. I sent you a message before I did it now. I asked you if I do it, what will you give me? I sent you a message.
Come here, come out, daddy.
Seriously.
Oh yeah, ṣe nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ gangan.
Mo ṣe nǹkan tó fẹ́.
Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ló ṣe.
Which place did you
Nǹkan mo fẹ́ ló ṣe. Hey, yeah, to this side.
Which place did we first meet?
Wait first.
Hey, see this one asking
Hope
questions.
it's not too painful.
It's so painful, I won't lie. On a scale of 1 to 10, immediately I pressed it, it was like 8. Then like now it's like 4, 5. But it's a bit swollen.
Wow.
It's been like 3 hours or so now.
Nice one. I never thought you could do this, seriously.
But I'm not seeing the beauty yet. But maybe as
You are not saying what
I get used to
me.
it.
I'm telling you, you did it because of me. Me, I'm telling you that this shit.
I know you are saying the beauty.
Seriously, it's wait first. Let me say again. No, it's nice. Seriously, it's nice. Anybody that
Let's
says
see how
it's
it
nice,
looks in the next couple of days.
yeah, I'm telling you that it's nice. Seriously.
Maybe by the time I make my hair,
But just that I need to buy
I'll see.
you the small size.
But Sheba sent a message asking you, you did not reply
don't worry.
because I mentioned gold.
For you to do this, ask me anything you want.
I just feel I want house.
But,
I want new car. I want everything.
Anything?
Yeah, am I going to don't know what happened?
I love you too.
All right, I did it for you.
I never did it.
But motivation yara ti balẹ̀.
I thought you wouldn't do it though. Like you said earlier that you cannot do it. I thought you would not.
I just didn't want to do it because of the pain level, but it was something I could bear actually for me to do it myself.
I love it.
Thanks, baby.
Nice.
Thank you.